Let's compare two people. Same age, same school, same schedule. One feels calm and focused. The other feels tired and anxious. The only difference? What they fed their gut. They both wake up at the same time. One eats eggs, fruit, maybe some rice or vegetables. Drinks water. The other skips breakfast. Grabs sugary coffee. By 10 a.m., the first one is steady. The second one already feels distracted. By afternoon, the first one is still thinking clearly. The second one feels brain fog, craving snacks, checking their phone every 5 minutes. Same brain, different fuel. Inside your stomach live trillions of bacteria. Not hundreds, not thousands, trillions. Some of them help you digest food. Some help reduce inflammation. Some even help produce chemicals that affect your mood. In fact, most of your serotonin, the chemical that helps you feel calm and balanced, is connected to your gut. So when you constantly feed your body ultra-processed food, sugar, and no fiber, you're not just affecting your weight. You're training your gut bacteria. Feed the helpful bacteria with fiber and whole foods, and they grow stronger. Feed the sugar-loving bacteria every day, and they multiply. And here's the important part. The bacteria that grow send signals. Signals to your brain. If the wrong ones dominate, you may feel more anxious, more tired, more foggy, and you think it's a personality flaw. It's not. Think about this. You promise yourself to eat clean, but at night, you suddenly crave something sweet. You stand in front of the fridge negotiating with yourself. That craving feels emotional, but part of it is biological. Certain gut bacteria thrive on sugar. When they grow stronger, they ask for more of the food that keeps them alive. You call it weak discipline. Your body calls it adaptation. Now imagine slowly changing what you feed your gut. More vegetables, more fiber, more real food, better sleep. At first, nothing dramatic happens. But after days and weeks, the balance shifts. The helpful bacteria grow, inflammation reduces, energy stabilizes, mood improves. You spend so much time trying to fix your mindset, watching productivity videos, blaming yourself for feeling lazy or anxious. But maybe the real question isn't about motivation. Maybe it's about biology. Because every single day, your gut is talking to your brain. And your brain is listening. So if two people live the same life, but feel completely different, it might not be mindset. It might be what they fed the invisible system inside them. Your mood is not just mental. It's physical. And it starts in your gut.